We will be visiting the car repair shop frequently to sort out the issue with our car. But doing simple maintenance will keep your car healthy and help you to stay away from expensive repair bills by reducing your number of visits to the car repair shop. Here are some tips. Regularly check the oil and other fluids in your car. Make sure to check your oil level, coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and all the other fluids in your car at least once a month. Followed by inspection. Make the top-up if necessary and maintain the optimum level. Follow the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals, which are typically every 5,000 to 7,500 kilometers and may slightly vary depending upon the driving condition, type of oil used, and your vehicle make and model. Regular oil changes can help prolong your engine's life and improve performance and reduce your visits to the service center. A properly inflated tire is one of the easiest things an owner can do. Check your tire pressure regularly at least once a month and keep your tires inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. This can help improve fuel efficiency, prevent premature wear and tear, and reduce the risk of blowouts. Keep an eye on the battery health and its performance. Check your battery terminals for corrosion and make sure your battery is securely mounted. If your battery is more than 3 years old, have it tested to ensure if it is still holding a charge. Inspect the level of the battery fluid, since insufficient battery fluid can lower its performance. Take out the routine maintenance schedule as stated in the owner's manual. Get the recommended maintenance schedule down for your car as per the manufacturer's guidelines, which may include tasks such as replacing spark plugs, replacing the timing belts, and flushing the cooling system. Getting the major and minor services done without delay will reduce any major repairs, and the body problems can be identified at the earliest. Keep the interior and the exterior of your car clean. Instead of spending a huge amount of money on getting the frequent car wash down for your car, putting a little effort into keeping it clean can reduce your visits to the car repair shop and keep it clean. Ensuring a healthy interior in your car will promote the circulation of fresh air inside your cabin. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can help prevent breakdowns, improve your car's performance, and save money on repairs in the long run.